Hi, and thanks for watching. You will not regret this. We will show you how to create a massive monthly income within this month. We want to warn you, this is so exciting, many of our members are losing sleep over their newfound wealth. We will go through this very quickly. You should watch it at least twice before deciding on anything. We live in an instant and fast-paced world now. Why not take advantage of that and use that to create wealth? In this video, we want to explain how fast the 2 in 2 challenge can make you richer. By now, we hope you have went through the website and learned a bit about it. In summary, we have some new software that is integrated with Facebook that monetized Facebook shares. In the remainder of this video, we will go over the 2 in 2 challenge, which some are calling the 28-day, $28,000 challenge. Do you have $10 right now? Do you want to turn that into a $28,000 per month income within 28 to 30 days? Do you think you can find 2 more people that have $10 and that want to do the same? Here is how it works. We have a 2x14 level matrix shown here. You can see that, when full, it pays you over $9,618 per month as a monthly recurring income. Those are called your monthly matrix earnings. Here is something that you also need to know. You also get a 100% matching pay of the matrix earnings for everyone that you refer. If you refer John and John makes $1,000, you also make $1,000 plus your matrix earnings. If you refer Jane and Jane makes $500, you match Jane's $500 and you match John's $1,000. Keep in mind, you are paid your matrix earnings and your matching pay will be added to that. Let's say you make $1,000 as matrix earning and you are matching John's and Jane's matrix earnings. In that case, your total income would be $2,500 per month. If that sounds good to you, keep listening. Since the matrix earning for every member goes up to $9,618 each time you sign up someone, it adds that much more to your potential income. That brings us to the $28,000 monthly income potential amount when you sponsor just 2 people. With that in mind, let's look at some timelines here and see how fast this can work for you. Let's say you find just 2 others that have $10 that want to become wealthy also, and you sign them up. Some members have signed up over 100 people and counting so far. Find 2 people that sign up in just 2 days, hence the name of the 2 in 2 challenge, and you are already well on your way. If they get their 2 people signed up in just 2 days, you have your first 2 levels of the 14-level matrix filled by day 4. If that continues, you will have 3 levels filled by day 6, 4 levels filled by day 8, 5 levels filled by day 10, and so forth. By day 28, you should have all 14 levels filled. Since you match the matrix earnings of the 2 you sponsored, your income would be over $19,000 per month at this point. That is because, moving at that rate, the 2 members that you sponsored have 13 full levels and you match their matrix earnings. Excited yet? Let's look at the next 2 days. If everyone moves at the same rate of growth, by day 30, the 2 people that you sponsored would have a full matrix. You match their matrix earnings. Now you are making over $28,000 per month. With no holes in the matrix and with all positions filled, your commissions each month would be exactly $28,856.40 every month. If you only succeed at 50% of that, you're now making over $14,000 per month. If you only succeed at 20% of that, you're now making over $5,700 per month. If you only succeed at 10% of that, you would be making over $2,800 per month. Let's say that you do horrible at it and you only succeed at 2% of that. Do you realize that if you only succeed at 2%, you are still making over $577 per month? What if it takes everyone 3 days? Well, then it will just take a bit longer, right? Hey, what do you have to lose? We're growing like crazy. Get started today. Thanks for watching.